So in the gear keg, when you open it up, you get the gear keg with all the associated tubing, the 2 fittings, and a hook. This is optional. If you're using a car on a lift, it can be really helpful. But essentially, you take the straw and you attach it to the bottom of the gear keg. From there, take the gear keg and you thread it into your bottle of gear oil. And it should just thread on just like that. Make sure not to cross that. It's not bad. All right, so then we're going to use this glass container just as an example of our component. You take this fitting that's got the barb on the end. This is designed to hook into the fill port on your differential or transmission. It's just a little extra to make it easier. Then you take your air pump. I really like using tire inflators. I feel like they're a good compromise between speed and ease of use. And one thing with this one, it's got an auto pressure shutoff. So we're going to tell it not to exceed 10 PSI, just for safety. And then you take your Schrader valve adapter and you thread on your tire inflator. Now this will work if you have shop air, and this will work if you have a bicycle pump. The tire inflator is really convenient. Bicycle pump's extremely easy. With shop air, you want to make sure not to exceed 10 PSI. So turn your regulator down before you use this. All right, and we'll hit go.